Tara, let's staycation with the BFFs at the 102 Plaza in Antipolo. Showcase ko muna guys ang aming room 208. Isa itong standard size room with a small sink and kitchen. Syempre may house rules din. Lalagyan na ng mga sapatos at tsinelas and a comfort room with sink, toilet, and shower. Meron ng rice cooker at cooking utensils at meron ding fridge. At meron ding libreng ice. Wow, shot po no later. At may couch din na inupuan ni Noli. At syempre may bed na perfect pang bembang. De joke. May window din, whole mirror, TV with YouTube Premium, karaoke, board games at also meron ding dining area. Sulit na ito for our staycation at meron pa silang mood light. Wow! So in preparation sa aming agenda, bumili muna kami ni Noli at Visa Pure Gold sa baba ng plaza ng mga tubog at chicha namin for the day. After nun ay nag-karaoke session na kami sa taas while waiting for our food. Laking gulat namin kasi kahit may sakit si Kate, pumunta pa rin siya kasi love niya si BFF Bianca. Then kumain na kami ng lunch ng KFC fried chicken. After nun ay nag-pictorial session na kami for BFF Bianca's 22nd birthday. Naki-join na rin si Kate kasi nag-22 na rin daw siya last month with the Juno position. Then groupie pics kami para may remembrance kami sa aming staycation dito sa 102 Plaza. Do you picture me like I picture you? AAM is not ito. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. Woo! Tara na, let's go na.
Tara, let's play games.
Let's play na.
First gift. Sarap. Ito muna.
Wow!
What's in the box?
In the
Midnight rain. I love it. Handheld fan.
From KKV. Meron
Lang press lang. Bida-bida sa rule. Sobrang lakas pagkapasok.
Sandboard.
Thank you.
Dashboard.
I love it.
After ng unboxing ni BFF ng gifts ay nag-board games muna kami and then pumunta na kami sa terrace para sa overlooking view. May maliit na playground sa terrace pero ang main attraction nito ay yung pinakamagandang view. Nakakalula sa umpisa pero perfect dito pang aesthetic picture taking. Naglaro din kami muna sa park. Ako. Oh.
Sorry.
We're going up. It's our moment. You know we're gonna be glowing.
Down.
Ayoko na guys. After nun ay bumaba na kami to eat our dinner and pack up na since daytime lang ang book namin here. Yun lang ang aming 102 Plaza staycation experience. Until our next BFF Airbnb vlog!